Okay guys, after church, the weather is cloudy, possible rain again. Okay, so see you guys. So after church this Sunday, the rain is coming, maybe the afternoon or night. So it's ready to go home before the rain is coming down. Okay, so this is the weather updates at Canada, Saskatchewan. Updates weather. So see you guys. A weather condition until Monday. It's raining, possible rain. So no time to basketball or jogging after church. Okay, see you guys. That's all. Oh, just subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. Okay, the surrounding area.